Hi there, and welcome to this quick tutorial. Whether you're organizing your files or just correcting a title, renaming your Google Sheets file on mobile is simple and fast. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to do it using the Google Sheets app on your Android device. First, open the Google Sheets app on your Android device. Next, find the file you want to rename from your list of spreadsheets. Then, tap the three vertical dots next to the file name. This will open a menu of options. After that, select Rename from the list. Now a dialog box will appear allowing you to edit the current name of the file. Type the new name you want for your spreadsheet. Finally, tap the Rename button to save your changes. That's it. Your file now has the new name you entered. Renaming your Google Sheets file on Android is quick and easy once you know where to look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials for mobile productivity.